these people here, they want to go down there, and the police are turning them around. They, yeah, you don't want to go down there. So this is Asha Pacific. Now you got going down there. There's a car way down there that's stuck. Good thing.